Hanggang hindi sinabi ng police, pati armed forces, na safe na ang Philippines, this martial law will continue. Hindi ako makinig sa iba.
Those who really are truly aware of the situation are the military and the police. This is not meant to bypass the Supreme Court or the legislative. It simply means to say that those who have true and accurate report on which he will depend on will be the military and the Philippine National Police.
Does that mean that the Supreme Court and the Congress should rely only also from the report to be given by the police and the military?
Well, they should be in dialogue.